Do you feel alright? I will pick her up from the garden to be mine. Good day guys, Chef Ben again, and welcome to our channel. Shout out for all of my subscribers. Thank you very much guys for all the support that you're giving to our channel. From the bottom of my heart, thank you very much. If this is your first time in our channel, after watching the video, please subscribe, click the thumbs up button, the notification bell, and leave an honest message. And should you think that our video is worth sharing to your friends, please share. Today I'll be making one of the Filipino delicacies called Pichi Pichi. Pichi Pichi is made from grated cassava with sugar, water, pandan leaves, and a little bit of live water, and then steamed. Our old folks usually cook it by using a big wok and then some layers of bamboo and then with banana leaves. And then the mixture is placed on top of the banana leaves, covered with another banana leaves and then steamed until done. The basic of Pichi Pichi is 2 parts grated cassava, in cups of course, and then a cup of water, and then a cup of sugar and a little lime. That's the basic ingredients. And then it is steamed from 15 to 40 minutes depending on the size of the Pichi Pichi you're making. Today I'll be making a little twist because I will be making a Buco Pandan Pichi Pichi, meaning of course the grated cassava is there, but I'll be using a Buco Water. It is water from a young coconut. Before, usually pandan is being boiled with water, but now I will not be boiling it. I will be chopping the pandan leaves very fine and then blend it with the Buco Water so that I could be able to get the right flavor and a nice color. And I'll not be using any artificial coloring or artificial flavoring. Today I'll be using a non-stick silicone mold instead of the usual plastic. Should you want to make your Pichi Pichi a little bit soft, you can just increase your liquid. From 1 cup, you can make around 1 1/4 cup. So guys, now we'll start to make it. This is what we need: a Buco Water and pandan leaves. The Buco Water is 1 1/4 cup and the pandan leaves is 1 cup. Now, I will put the Buco Water in our blender and also the chopped pandan leaves and then blend it. After about 2 minutes blending, now we'll just have to strain this one. This is 1 cup of Buco Water with pandan. To make 1 1/4, we'll just be adding 1/4 cup of Buco Water, 2 cups grated cassava, 1 cup sugar, 1 1/4 cup Buco Water with pandan, and 1/2 teaspoon lye water. Okay, we will now mix our Pichi Pichi mix, our grated cassava. Okay, and then we will put our Buco Water with the pandan, and then our sugar, and then our 1/2 teaspoon lye water. And then we'll just have to mix this. So you can see very clearly that it has the natural green color of the pandan, no artificial coloring. And then we'll be putting this in our mold and then steam it. You have to just mix it thoroughly so that the sugar and everything is well mixed. So we'll just be putting approximately 1/4 cup of the mixture in our mold. In high heat. Then we'll be adding buko. Fresh. Then we'll just have to steam it until done. So we'll just have to take it out. Okay. Okay, our pichi pichi is cooked. We'll just let it cool and then we will roll it in freshly grated coconut. Okay, we'll now take it out of the mold and then roll it in freshly grated coconut, just like that. And then we will just arrange it in our serving tray. Okay, so we have to unmold everything and then roll in freshly grated coconut and then arrange. Okay, so that's it. So guys, our Buco Pandan Pichi Pichi. So the color is a natural color coming from the fresh pandan leaves that we have blended. So even the flavor, natural flavor. So there is no artificial coloring or artificial flavoring. Even the fresh buko is visible on top. Okay. Well guys, I believe that I have shown you how to make a pichi pichi. And I also believe that you can now make your own pichi pichi. By the way, for purpose of flavor, you can always change the flavor. I use the Buco Pandan because my favorite is Buco Pandan. But feel free to change your liquid. You can add blended fruits or fruit juice or powdered fruit juice. Use it as your liquid, not necessarily Buco Pandan. By doing so, you will be able to have a different colors of pichi pichi. Try to avoid artificial coloring and also artificial flavoring. By the way, for all of you first timers, this is now the perfect time for you to subscribe so that your subscription will be counted. And then you can now click the thumbs up button, the notification bell, so that you will be updated on my next uploading of video. And of course, kindly add your honest comment. And as I have said earlier, should you think that our video is worth sharing to your friends, please share. So guys, thank you very much for watching. See you next video. This is Chef Ben Cassava signing off. And may God bless us all.